This is not the road, and this is not the nature of how people struggle. Basically, the roads with a lot of challenges.
Fambul, good day and welcome to Climax Media SL as we are today for telling them about things where they happen within the community and Marampa Chiefdom at large. As we know, say yesterday, heavy rain came yesterday, and we find out say a lot of things and they happen within the community. Me where they cow the report owner, my name na Isa Kanu, and today now stay tuned as we continue for you now more updates. So Tindata village, as we know say a lot of things they happen where the mining don't they mine Naya, so we find out say the road not look okay for we, and a lot of people them don't they tell we things same way they happen as we now they see the road, and now for many people them even water now the road now a big problem. Now we see how the road be. This is not the village where they call Tindata, where you come towards Marampa town, where Nalusak town, and then we therefore take una along as we go say Mafoki. Me na Isa Kanu the reports.
So, Coach, waiting at some of the first challenge in this place. Like seriously, you know the coach of Tindata FC, and waiting at some of the challenge on the face as the road don't become bad. The feeder roads all the way to Tindata and the following communities they don't become bad due to the activities of the mining. We don't push the tailings to the extreme and lack of maintenance of the feeder road. How you feel about this?
But guys, I know they feel fine. But not the village, nobody know they feel fine because we in the camp. I know they sleep. Because the damage, the water even yesterday. The water over the pass now. And the water they stop we. Yeah, yesterday over the pass now. Then come right there, then pick the old man they cry no more they cry. Oh but right now, we know they sleep. Like this, I know they sleep. As rain come, I know they sleep. They do clean. Oh, they don't begin to broke right now.
So what did they cause the breakage of the houses?
Well, because of one, at this tribe they make up here, then at 1 point first that one day.
What did they make up there?
Then yeah, and see now fighting the fire, but I didn't buy to the fire for the iron wall.
Okay.
And then he left for man. And they also they broke. Even me said, "Ben, I built 3 rooms and 1 parlor. And they all don't go down. And another problem they get guys now. I know they work for Saturday work, but I go and drag them. I get 1,000, 2,000. I will buy this. I make this. And that problem guys now I don't get so. You are tired. The more now we know they sleep. Guys now so like all the game don't dark so. And that anger the guys now. Don't remember for guys now. I will remember guys now.
So it's not the message you get to stakeholders.
Well, guys now, the one day will be to say now, then they before. Better do what they get for. Better help. I want better help. We guys now, what made them pull in that time? What made them pull in?
See the danger. Now even the bike man them they face a lot of challenge. As soon as they see that one day, they don't for them. Imagine this, imagine say now emergency loading get now in the drive for crossing, they face all in constraints there. These are all some of the things them where they happen currently as the people them they face a lot of challenges and the constraints them too much. We will continue for giving more updates on this as we day on the Climax Media SL News Discovery. So they take a tour right around Marampa to see how some of them can start unfold. On the Discovery, we still get this side towards Tindata. So you see, then they are all not accessible again. In fact, even motorcycle, where we they call Okada, now we L1 not able access here again. Talk less of motorcar. Okada self not able pass here. These are all things them way we they bring to the notice of the authorities that were involved. This is Marampa, and the people of Marampa deserve better. Considering a road nature of this, the roads don't become damaged, overused, and risky for even use for people and way they access Maya. All this they happen due to the activities of the miners. As we see, if we see to the ground, these are all the tailings, the waste of the iron ore, where they leak from the hill. and can cause a mayhem outside people in the fen access as you see people struggle. This is not the nature as we continue for the discovery on the damages we caused, the blasting, of course, the uncontrollable, and now the roads them no longer accessible.
Find out, say,